In front of me is REALME C55, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. First of all, you need to open your device's settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access special features. Now click on Simple Mode at the bottom and choose Enter Simple Mode in order to activate it. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, Easy Mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, go into Settings again. Click on Exit Simple Mode at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!